Hey, what's up guys, it's your girl Tiff and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. Please make sure that you hit that like and subscribe button at the bottom, somewhere right around here. Don't cost you nothing and it only takes 1 second. So I hope you guys have been doing wonderful. I hope everybody is in good spirits. I haven't wanted to film a video for a while, but I honestly have not been in the headspace for it. My spirit hasn't been up to it, and I just kind of felt like this just was not the good time, or the last few weeks have not been the best time to put out any content. I had a whole list of different videos I wanted to get out, and I just decided today, like, just move forward to, you know, the current state of the world won't always be the current state of the world, but keep moving. You know, my heart goes out to anyone and everyone who's been affected by everything that's been going on, from the COVID to the Black Lives Matter, people who have been affected by protests or just the loss of life. So I wanted to say that because my heart is with that. My heart is for everyone that's hurting. My heart is definitely with Black Lives Matter. But I decided today, like, film a video, Tiff. Film a video. I haven't been looking cute. Your girl ain't been doing no makeup, so I kind of felt like, get back in your element, see if you still got it. And of course I still got it, but you know, sometimes when you don't do anything to yourself, you walk around the house looking raggedy daggedy for so long, you like, damn, do I still got it? So this is a very cute summer simple quick makeup look. I use one color on my eyes. I use a NYX blush actually for my eyes, which I'm really loving. I'm really feeling this. So I hope you guys like this. If you want to see a cute simple summer glam, then you already know what to do. Keep watching this video, and as always, thank you so much for watching. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to share. Don't cost you anything. Let's go. Alright guys, we're going to jump right into this look. Brows are already done. If you guys want to see how I do my brows, I will link the video I did on my brows a while ago right here for you guys to click on, so you can learn how to get your brows together. But we're going to go right into this look, so let's get started. I'm using the same concealer that I used on my brows, under my brows, on my eyes. The color that I'm using for my eyeshadow, it is an NYX blush. This is in the color Double Dare. This is one of their high definition blushes. I'm just going to use that for my eyeshadow. I honestly wasn't even going to do eyeshadow, but why not? Get a nice amount on the brush. And let me just say guys, sorry if the lighting is not the best. My ring light is broke, so I'm using one of my softbox lights, and I could go get the other one, but I really didn't even feel like getting up, so I'm working with what I have for right now. So hope you guys can see this color. I do pat on the lid and then brush back and forth, and that just fades out that color. Voila, that is the eyes. I'm gonna go in with these lashes. I have these from, or I got these from AliExpress. I'm gonna pop those on and be right back. For foundation, I'm just going to go in with my NARS. I'm not going to use a lot because it's, you know, summertime and it's hot and it's humid. At least it is today. So I'm just going to do like 3 pumps on my brush. And that's it. In the summertime, y'all, I try not to wear foundation. I typically use a BB cream or tinted moisturizer, just because I don't want my face to be too hot and overly done. But if you're gonna do foundation, you still can. Just your face, do what you want. For concealer, I'm going in with a very, very oldie but goodie. This is LA Girl Toffee. Is this Toffee? Yeah, this is Toffee. And Toffee is the color that I used to use. I would go between Fawn and Toffee, but I would use Toffee when I didn't want a super, super, super highlighted look. You know, that's when I would use Toffee. Might as well. And I'm literally holding my mirror because my son broke it off the stand. So I'm gonna use a wet beauty blender and pat that in. Ooh. You guys ever like stop using certain makeup products and then use it after a very long hiatus and be like, damn, why did I stop? I mean, I know why I stopped, because there was so many different concealers coming out. ColourPop, it was me trying NARS and the Juvia's Place and just every other concealer under the world. But LA Girl, baby, you never failed me. Like, come on, never. I am gonna use ColourPop's concealer. This is in Deep Dark 56. And this stuff goes a long way. So I'm really gonna just use a slight boom. That's it. That's all you need. Trust and believe. I'm gonna be using the Morphe 536. Let me see. I do a mix between pat and circle. Pat to first get it in, and then circular motions to blend it how I like. And I always blend up with mine. I'm gonna go in with the Sasha Buttercup. But I'm gonna mix mine with the Juvia's Place Gobi setting powder. It's a little bit darker. Definitely a little darker. I'm gonna mix that with this. I'm just gonna put on my matte mineralized skin finish. This is in Deep Dark. And yes, I do go over the contour a little bit, but I'm still gonna bring it back out. Just wait. Going in with my Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm using this color right here. Just to warm up my face. And we're gonna go in with the Master Chrome, another oldie but goodie. Ooh. Lips, I'm just gonna go in with Chestnut. Is this Chestnut? Lord, yes, Chestnut.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And this is Dose of Colors Sand Liquid Lip or Lipstick, I don't know. Something. Of course, we have to set our face. I'm using the mattifying continuous mist by Morphe. Last time I used it, it kind of sprayed out everywhere and kind of left like a residue on my face. I don't know what that was about, but we're gonna go ahead and set the face. It smells good as hell. Like, I don't know what Morphe be putting in their products, but that definitely smells good. Skin looks like butter. Melanin popping. Ooh. I think that's my good side. What y'all think? Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you guys like it, and if you do, please don't forget to always like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.